If you're making great pictures, but you're still not getting paid what you're worth, this video is going to explain exactly why that could be happening and how to fix it.
This is the Carty method.
You see, most emerging photographers think that they need to get better clients first before they can start posting portfolio level work. It's actually the other way around. You need to make better work first, even if no one's paying you yet. By the way, I started out just like you, underpaid, overlooked, and stuck with work that I wasn't getting paid for. The minute that I flipped that and started building my own passion projects, the right clients start calling. I'm gonna show you exactly how to make that shift, what kind of personal work to create, how to position it, and how to use it to attract better paying, more creatively aligned clients. When many are starting out, they take on any photography jobs that come their way. Low budget shoots, zero creative freedom. And then, of course, you put that work in your book, thinking that it's better than nothing. But here's what you'll learn. The work that you show is the work that you're gonna get hired for. If your portfolio screams cheap, you're gonna keep attracting clients who wanna pay as little as possible. By the way, if your portfolio doesn't excite you, why would it excite a client? My turning point was when I stopped waiting. I stopped hoping that a dream client would hand me a dream brief. Instead, I created it myself. I made the work that I wanted to get hired for. These weren't client jobs. These were passion projects, self-directed shoots where I was in charge of the concept, the execution, the creative direction, and that work started getting attention. The portfolio I wanted wasn't gonna come from client work. It had to come from me. Here's the psychology behind it. Clients don't hire you for what you say you can do. They hire you for what you show that you can do. If your portfolio shows low budget, generic, templated work, it's what they'll expect. But if it shows bold, clean, elevated, emotionally intelligent work, clients assume that that's your standard. They're not hiring you, they're hiring your portfolio. How do you actually start? Start by asking yourself, what kind of work do I want to get paid for? What kind of clients do I want to attract? And then reverse engineer it. Build a shoot that looks like it came from that kind of client. Mood board it, scout talent, borrow a location, shoot it like it's your dream job. The project that changes your career probably isn't gonna start as a paid gig. Now that you've made something portfolio worthy, don't just post it and pray. Be intentional. Share behind the scenes clips on Instagram Reels and on TikTok. Post finished images with thoughtful captions on LinkedIn. Turn the project into a blog post, a case study for your website. Tag your stylists, your models, your collaborators. Reach out directly to brands or art directors who are doing similar work. You're not just posting now you're positioning. You didn't make this work for likes. You made this work to eventually get paid. Once your portfolio starts reflecting your creative direction, your brand begins to take shape. You're no longer just another photographer, you're a visual strategist with a clear style. Those high-end clients, they don't want to shop around. They want certainty. They want to look at your portfolio and say, that is exactly what we need. And that's when the shift happens. The same work that once felt underpaid becomes the exact thing that books your next $5,000 client. By the way, good clients don't find you by accident. They find you because you're already doing the work that they want. Inside the Carty method, I walk photographers through this exact process, how to clarify your visual identity, how to design portfolio level projects from scratch, and how to showcase those projects in a way that attracts premium clients. This is one of the most important steps in transitioning from underpaid to in demand. If you're serious, by the way, about building a career with your camera and your creativity, this is where you start. So here's a real takeaway. If you're tired of getting ghosted, if you're tired of being underpaid, overlooked, stop waiting for permission. You don't need more camera gear. You don't need to post 10 times a day, but you do need a body of work that reflects your value and a clear strategy to attract the clients that you actually want. Here's the part that most photographers miss. You can't grow your portfolio or your career for that matter in isolation. Most photographers self-diagnose. They stare at their own work for hours, they second guess every shot, and still they don't know what's working and what's holding them back. And that's why you need a feedback loop. Pro-level eyes on your work with honest released insight and actionable next steps. If you're serious about building a career with your camera and you want clear direction on what to fix, what to elevate, and what to lean into, join Portfolio Lab today. Go to thecartymethod.com right now. I break down real submissions. I show you what clients actually look for, and I give you the clarity that you need to start building a portfolio that actually gets you booked. If you're not yet sure why it's so helpful to have your photographs looked at by a pro, watch this video next. I've put a Portfolio Lab episode, my latest one, right here. This might be the shift your career's been waiting for.